I wanted to share some information if you're trading up to a new home. So trading up can have several different meanings. Do you need up in square footage? Do you need up in changing the dynamics of the floor plan? Or do you want nicer interior things? Lots of reasons to potentially trade up your home. Now, we have a really cool product, Keys for You, so we can buy now and sell later. We might want to take a peek at that. But typically and historically, the last 20 years and the last 50 years, homes in the Texas and DFW area are trending and appreciating around 4%, give or take a little bit. This is approximating, but over the last 20 or 50 years, which is a pretty good average. So if you're thinking about trading up, should I do it now or should I do it later? It's going to cost more money later. So now might be the right time. If you are in a larger home, dollar-wise, and are trading down to a smaller home, dollar-wise, do you trade now or do you trade later? We need to take a peek at that. Larger homes, more expensive in price, tend to grow at smaller numbers, often 1%, 0.5%. They might lose 0.5%. So we need to do the due diligence, working with your realtor. If you don't have a fabulous realtor, one that you trust, let us know. We work with some amazing realtors, happy to refer you. But to me, knowledge is power. And we start with that knowledge with research. No cost or obligation. Hope this helps. Thank you much.